In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to make a WordPress blog step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create posts, set up a blog page, and configure WordPress so your blog displays correctly on your website. This method works with the latest WordPress dashboard and is perfect for personal blogs, business blogs, or content creators just getting started. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy WordPress guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, make sure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go ahead and click on Posts. This is where all your blog content will live. Once you're on the Posts page, click on Posts again to view your existing posts, if you have any. To create a new blog post, click on Add Post. This opens the WordPress editor, where you can start writing your content. Here, you can add your blog title, write your text, and customize the post however you like. When you're ready to make the post live, click on the Publish button in the top corner. WordPress will ask you to confirm, so go ahead and click Publish again. Your blog post is now live. If you want to highlight text or make edits, you can select the text and use the editor tools to format it the way you want. Now that you have a post created, the next step is setting up a dedicated blog page. From the left-hand menu, click on Pages. This is where your website pages are managed. Click on Add Page to create a new page. Name this page Blog, so it's clear what it will be used for. Once the page title is set, click Publish, and then confirm by clicking Publish again. This creates a page that WordPress can use to display your blog posts. After publishing the page, go back to the Pages section. Now we need to tell WordPress to use this page as your blog page. To do that, scroll down the left-hand menu and click on Settings. Inside Settings, click on Reading. This is where WordPress controls how your homepage and blog posts are displayed. Under the option labeled Your Homepage Displays, select a static page. Once you select that option, you'll see a drop-down for Posts page. Click on the drop-down and choose the blog page you just created. This tells WordPress that all your blog posts should appear on that page. Finally, scroll down and click Save Changes. And that's it. You've successfully created and set up a WordPress blog. You now know how to add posts, create a blog page, and configure WordPress to display your blog properly. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.